Hey guys, Crispy Taters 21 here, and today we're back with another Fortnite video, and we're going to be checking on Polar Peak because if you haven't seen, I mean, it's freaking cracking. It's going to explode, and Greasy Grove is hallelujah coming back. And my dog, he doesn't even know what she's doing, so like, yeah, let's get into it. And if you haven't heard, my dog is named Cha-Cha. So, like, we named her that because she dances. I'm going to turn up the volume for you guys. Turn it all the way to 15, I guess. Okay, let's go. Get into the action! Bah! Bada bada baba. Bada boom, bada bam, bada bop, bop, bop. Bada boom, bada bam, boom, boom. Oof. That's a big oof. Big, fat, oof, oof. Oofity oof, oof, oof. Up. Gotta rail. Okay, guys, I'm just really excited. Please ignore me. Actually, don't ignore me. Just and also, we freaking got the burst SMG. So yeah. Look, burst SMG. Yeah, let's go see what's in the item shop. Slam dunk, jump shot, triple threat, magic wings, baller. Weird, okay, got buckets, got lucky, nice. Nice, Mike. Okay, do you like my thing? My thing? Oh, it's awesome. Okay, someone. What is this? Oh, TXL face, bro. Sure. Okay, guys. Why am I creative? What the heck? Oh, solid gold. Okay, guys, should we do solid gold? Yeah. Okay, guys. Oh, God. We'll get right into it and check Polar Peak. Let's go. Aw, I didn't finish. Where's the boom? Oh, yeah, that's right. Grenade and rocket launchers come in supply drops. That sucks. Legendary drops, legendary drops. Guys, the burst assault rifle only comes in green and blue. Sad. Guys, I have a question for you. Comment down below this, but if you think that the combat shotgun should be also green, comment down below. Okay, guys. Here's my squad. Let's go. Here's my squad. Who's playing that emote? I love that emote. Okay, guys. Where are we going? Oh, I'm not going to paradise. Frick. Actually, yeah, I'm going to go to paradise. Okay, this round I'm going to paradise, okay? And then the other round I'm going in Team Rumble to see what is dropping with the Polar Peak. So, yeah. Deagle! I know it's like the worst gun in the game, but... Oh, combat. Okay, guys. We got no heals. Someone already died. Oh! Yes. Let's go. What's that? Tactical? Okay, guys. This is bad news. Someone has a boom bow. Shoot! Who is that? I'm terrible! Come on! That guy had a boom bow. Frick that guy. God. Okay, we're going in Team Rumble. Let's go. Let's go. It's a me, I'm Mario. Let's go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Mario, 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 Sorry. Let's go! And guys, by the way, I just got back from San Francisco, so let's go! Do 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 do. Hot combat shotgun. Anonymous. There's anonymouses. Anonymito. Anonymito. Guys, we gotta go all the way over there. Where's the battle bus? Rick, it's all the way over there. When you're in the battle bus, it looks like it's moving so slow, but when you jump out of it, it looks like it's moving freaking rapid speed. I mean, look at it. It's the bus driver probably is like dying from the storm right now. Oh my God, guys! Do you see that crack? Dude! I'm ready for this event. Epic Games, come on! Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay, guys. We gotta get to that. Look! It's just cracking. There's someone over there. Who cares? But look, guys. just cracking. I'm gonna get a gun. I'm gonna get a gun. Okay, guys. There's literally someone over there. Should I shoot that guy? Or you stand still? Nah. Okay, guys, we're going to the Continental Hotel. Continental. Someone just rifted? No! How did none of those hit? Does he not see me? He doesn't even see me. Wow. How'd that guy not see me? Oh, impulse grenades. Do you guys hear that? Okay, guys. Bloom! Kill him! Okay, guys, well, that's pretty much the end of the video. Not that much in the video, just like playing games and I guess showing you Polar Peak, just playing matches. So, I'm about to die, but see you guys next time in another Fortnite video. Please smash that like button. Can you like stop, please? And smash that like button. Subscribe, please subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you want Greasy Grove to come back. So, see you guys next time. Bye.